Today is travel day. All right, so me and the fam we're going to Orlando. We was originally going for sincere football, but the team had canceled. But we already made our reservations for everything, so we are going to continue on. Our flight is not until 8, but our flight is in Newark, New Jersey, so that's about an hour and 20 minutes, maybe 30, depending on traffic. Don't know. Right now, I'm about to go running because I still got to get my fitness in no matter what. So I'm about to go running. We got 4 miles. I'm going to try 4 miles. I'm not going to say we're going to do 4 miles because remember, I still got the marathon and a half a marathon that I'm working towards. Weightlifting has been going really well for me. Running, not so much still because it's cold outside and I'm not young like I used to be. So it's kind of hard for me now to get out there and go run when it's cold. Right now it is 37 degrees, but the sun is out, so it's warming it up a little bit. This is what I'm going to wear while I'm running. And I got to find gloves because I know my hands is going to be cold. I'm going to put on probably Kendrick Lamar album and then just try to get my miles in. So I'm going to stretch, run, come back home, chill, take a shower, and then we just gonna continue on. You dig? Bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches. B100 thick, B100 thick, B100 thick, B100 thick, B100 thick, B100 thick, B100 thick. On our way out the door. Boop. City. Ouch. Sana. Sana. Say hello. Boop. We just made it to the airport. Going in. It's our first time at Newark Airport, so we gotta figure this thing out. Young boy bag got stopped.
I did get my stuff.
Alright, we finally made it through. Sincere bag got stopped. Of course. He's trying to smuggle something. But yeah, we on our way now. What are you doing?
No. I just almost fell.
Man, we just gotta wait. Our plane boards at 7. I think it's like 6, so we got an hour to chill. This next day, we got the rental car. No, they bought that rental car, but they gave me a fully electric car. So now I'm on my way to go switch out because I'm not being responsible with charging the car or bringing the car fully charged back. Nope, not I.
Right there where you went.
Get him, boy. Hey, get him, boy. Hey, get him, boy. Hey, get him, boy.
Go that way.
Hey. Oh, hey. Hey, what was this dude's called?
But you're so enticing, needed inviting. But now I want you. So,
We at the football games. It's a little lip out this joint. Games was a no-go. They wanted $70. It was only 30 minutes left. No. We had food truck world. Gotta go see what the food hitting for. She probably scared of him.
Scared of it?
I didn't. You want to try the shrimp?
Yeah. And some rice.
That rice do look good though.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Let me get the
Okay.
sorullos, queso.
Empanada. What's in there? The shrimp one. You have it? What's in there?
I told yeah.
Just shrimp?
Yes.
You know what's
I'll order that. Okay. Inside of there, what comes in there? Shrimp and what else?
Empanada.
And like shrimp and cheese.
Como. Piensa como que sí, guisado. Ya. Yo te entiendo, pero no te entiendo. ¿Tú hablas español?
Sí.
¿Inglés?
Hola. How can I
¿Qué
help
me
you?
quiere decir?
What ask her what comes in the shrimp like no meat, right?
Oh, en la empanada que viene, en la de camarón. Solo camarón, no carne.
No, no.
No meat.
Solo camarón.
Ella no come carne, ella no come carne.
Okay. And the piso one, ask her is
shrimp empanada?
why not shrimp? Nasty?